Guys, so today we are vlogging. We are going to Universal Studios Horror Nights tonight. So I just woke up. It is 9:45. I have my nails on. These are from Olive and June. Super cute French tip nails. I also do have my outfit ready to go. I'm planning to film a full face of Chic Glam. Not sure if that's gonna happen, but we're looking kind of hobo-ish, like just got out of bed vibes. Let's get into it. If you want to see how this day goes for us, I am going with my sister and her boyfriend and my boyfriend to Horror Nights for the first time. We've never been before, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm kind of scared, but let's do it. Okay, so if you want to see how it goes, just keep on watching. I have so many hauls, girl. I have a Sephora haul, a Hot Topic haul, a Dollar Tree haul, and I have 2 other Dollar Tree hauls. And then this is a little headband I'm gonna be wearing. Super cute. It has a little minion on it. Perfect for tonight. This is the backpack that my boyfriend bought for me from Boxed Lunch, and actually it does glow in the dark, so I'm gonna be taking this with me. This is the t-shirt that I'll be wearing tonight, which I did purchase off of TEMU. This is so cool, and I love that it has like little pink flames and everything. That's why I liked it the most, and it just looks like perfect for tonight. And then for YouTube, I'm gonna be filming a full face of Chic Glam, which I thought would work perfectly because I'm gonna be using their Halloween palette from like 2 years ago, whatever, the Retro Romance. How the palette looks, you guys know, you guys have seen this in action before, so this is what I'm gonna be using for tonight. I also do want to do a wear test on either this setting spray or this infinite one, because this is supposed to last up to 16 hours and I will be wearing my makeup for a long time, so I'm thinking I might just do a wear test on this on TikTok. So if you want to see how that goes, definitely follow me over there. I'm gonna be using my makeup, is going to be on for a long time. So yeah, and this one's like basically if you're going to be working out or whatever, you can throw this on and your makeup will not move. It's so good for like when I go to work. So we're going to do that. We're going to do a wear test on the Infinite setting spray. We're going to do a full face of Chic Glam, and I'll check in with you guys afterwards. All right, we're doing a little bit of an intermission because I just filmed the full face of Chic Glam. I haven't like ended it yet, so I'm just gonna pump out my makeup and we're gonna do it together. Right, so I just went ahead and finished up my Dollar Tree haul and my Sephora and Hot Topic haul. So my table's looking like a mess right now. But this is the final look. As I mentioned earlier, now the hair is kind of better. Lips are, yeah, I really love this look. Obviously I'm not going to be wearing this white shirt, but let me show you guys the things that I have in front of me. This is what we're working with right now. I just again did the Dollar Tree haul, so we have a couple of those things. We have some Hot Topic stuff. You guys will be seeing that soon. Some Brat lashes from Hot Topic, some lashes from Dollar Tree. We have one size from Sephora, bought their bronzer and their blush. We have some things from Miniso. Super cute. We also have my birthday gifts, my little fan that I talk about all the time. How adorable is this lip balm? So cute. All right, so we finally made it to Universal. First off, we went to eat, then we started heading to the line, girl. It was crazy packed. So many people were there, but we made it inside, and thankfully we got to the front before the wild crowd. Let me show you guys how it looked once we went inside the park.
Gates will open to hail your defeat. Nightmares told you are about to begin.
All right, so that was literally nothing. That was just everybody running towards Chucky, because that's like the maze that gets the most packed. Thankfully we got there and we didn't really have to wait too long. We also did the Terror Tram, which this year was like a exterminator kind of vibe. So you basically get on the tram for about 2 minutes. It's a small, like a short ride, and then you get to walk through all these scenes that we usually see when we get on the tram rides, but this time you get to actually walk there and see everything up close and personal. personal, and it was really cool. There was also like bugs walking around that were like scaring you, and like random people, all the scare actors. It was really cool, and thankfully it wasn't too cold in the nighttime, like especially with all this walking girl, like it was hot and all the crowds and stuff. But yeah, so we definitely got our steps in this night. So we're walking, and basically it's like you walk through where the airplane is, and you also go through where the Nope set is as well. And then the tram is out there waiting for you. You get back on, and it basically drops you off in the front of the line, like where you came from. So it was really cool. So everybody was just walking through. Honestly, it wasn't too scary. I thought like I was gonna be way more scared, but it was cool. It was just fun to get to walk through. Again, we did get our steps in, girl. There was like an uphill part as well. We had to go uphill, and girl, whoa! I was not expecting all this walking, but we did it. And so here we are, just walking. There's one of the the scare actors. They were really fun. I did go with my sister. I don't know if I mentioned that, and her boyfriend. So we're like literally just walking, and then I think this is, oh, we're heading to Nope, which is just a little set over there. So if you're planning on going to Horror Nights, girl, bring your walking shoes because it's gonna be a lot of walking. Next, we did Blumhouse. Thankfully, there's some really cool people that work at Universal. They liked my sister's shirt, so we got to go to like the quick entrance thing. Instead of waiting the 30 minutes from Blumhouse, if you are going to Universal Studios Hollywood, just know Blumhouse is a show and it's so short, girl. It's only like 6 minutes. I honestly would say it's not worth it. Don't wait more than 30 minutes for that show. It's super short. But this one, however, is one of the other shows that's where Waterworld is. I thought that show was cool. It was kind of long, maybe like 15 minutes or something. Definitely worth it. The only thing is, if you have any like sensitivity to light, it was a very bright show, a lot of flashing lights and everything. So yeah, just be aware of that. And it is pretty packed. They packed so many people in here. It was wild. So if you are like claustrophobic, like being around a lot of people, definitely keep that in mind, because Horror Nights is so popular. You're definitely going to be surrounded by a lot of people at all times, girl. So there's going to be smells, like coughing and sneezing, and even little kids were here as well. I wasn't expecting that, but yes, definitely be prepared to be around a lot of people. Be surrounded by teenagers and all types of people of ages and all of that. So definitely I would recommend this show. I thought it was really cool. They definitely did use a lot of stunts that they use for Waterworld. Obviously not the airplane. I don't think there would have been a way to make it the Purge or whatever. So this was the Purge show. I really like the storyline, but again, it is a lot of flashing lights. So if you are sensitive, again, I wouldn't recommend for you. But yeah, the music they used was really cool as well. And just the actors, they were honestly full of energy, and it was a really good show as well. So definitely would recommend, if you're planning to go, definitely watch one of the showings. This was the one at, I believe it was 10 o'clock, and it was still packed. The whole little like the sea area and everything was super packed, girl. So next we started walking. All these scare actors were actually towards the front of the park. They are not all over the park. So if you are, worried about that, all these like giant bird people, whatever, scare actors are only in the tram, and also just in the front of the park, like where the firewall is. So yeah, that's really fun. I thought that was really unique, because I know knots, they just like walk around the whole park, but right here it's only the beginning of the park, and then the rest is a normal kind of walkway. So they did have these like tall bird people. It was really cool, and a bunch of like little clowns and stuff. They did have like this teddy bear that would walk around, but like a creepy one, and he would like stand in front of you and like walk behind you. It was so creepy. So yes, really interesting. We were just walking around trying to get as much done as we could. We were pretty tired, so we stayed until like 12, and then we went home, and this is where I finished my topping. Okay, guys, so it is 2 a.m. I'm here to end the vlog. It has been a very long day, and I am really tired. end the vlog here. So we did go ahead and go into a lot of mazes tonight. We did Chucky, we did some other ones. It's gonna be obviously throughout the vlog. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like a voiceover so I can explain things over top. I don't know. But we did get a lot done. We didn't get to eat a whole lot. We did like a corn dog and some fries, but yeah, it was still a really long day and I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. It was really fun night. I would definitely recommend, if you've never done horror nights, definitely do it at least once. This was me and my sisters and everyone else's first time going. Hair is wild. It's time to remove this makeup because it is crazy looking. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.